Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold on the smaller time frames. But before we go to the smaller time frames, we are just going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. And I'll be starting with the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price of gold is currently going up. We have more green candles on the chart, especially around this particular area of the chart. We have more green candles forming, showing that the buyers are still so much. Their buyers' presence is still much on the monthly time frame. Just one bearish or doji, and the rest is green candles. So if you are looking to trade gold in the long run, look for buying opportunities on gold. If you are looking to trade gold in the long run, look for buying opportunities, as the presence of buyers are still very much on the monthly time frame. Now for the weekly time frame, can see that price of gold is projected upwards as price respects. We have a solid respect for the trend line. This is the trend line on the weekly time frame. This is the trend line. Price is moving gradually, with a touch of the trend line around here. You can see the price is projecting forward, and price also giving us a clue of a flag, bullish, continuous bullish flag pattern. Okay, this is the flag. Is the flag breakout. There's a flag here. And this is the flag breakout around here. This is also another flag. This is another flag, and this is the breakout around here. And for the recent couple of weeks, this is the flag, and this is the flag breakout. So you need to make some research on flag patterns to understand what I've just done, to understand more on what I've just plotted on the chart. So we have flag here, breakout, flag, breakout, flag, breakout, flag, breakout. So we have successive bullish flag patterns on the screen, showing that price of gold will still continue its way up. So price is definitely looking for a break, a clean break around here. As soon as we have a clean break, we might experience something like this, something like this, something like this, and price might continue to push forward. And like I said yesterday, if price is going to push forward, we might have the development of this kind of candle height, development of this type of candle height with respect to the current flag. Price might push up as high as let's see, as high as what we have on the screen, as high as, just a minute, price might push as high as, let's see, 2560, 2563 or thereabout. Might see price push to that height. But I forecasted that price will likely get to 2600 before we see some before we see any significant pullback. But for now, price is still gearing up to move upwards. On the daily time frame, let's look at what's happening on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that the price of gold is giving us a dip, then a rise. You can see the dip, we can see the rise. Now there's one thing that is significant about the rise. Look at the candle wicks formation, wick formation, the tail of the candles. There's another tail here, there's another tail here. Yesterday leaving us a doji, but with a tail. So what we are looking at is the entrance of the buyers. Buyers were able to enter around here. Buyers came into the market around here. Buyers came into the market. Just a minute. We are looking at how buyers are able to enter the market and change the direction of price. Buyers came in, just a minute, buyers came in around here. Buyers came in around here. Buyers also came in around here. So buyers are always stepping in when sellers have done their beat. Sellers were able to push price down and buyers came in. Sellers were able to push price down to this point, buyers came in. Now buyers are still pushing price up, and price has been testing the resistance, this particular resistance area, for some time. We have a test here, we have another test here, another one. By the time we have a breakout, it might be massive. Breakout might be massive. We might see price pushing as high as 2600. Might see price pushing as high as 2600. So, but look at the progression. A push, you can see range to pick up buyers, especially at this point. We have this particular point being tested. We have this point, the same point being tested again. This same liquidity area being tested to leave more liquidity. Whereas we have a liquidity here, more liquidity. So we have more liquidity at the top than we have at the bottom. So we won't be surprised if price is able to sweep this liquidity around here, or grab the liquidity around here and push up. Or if price on the contrary is able to grab the liquidity around here, deceiving buyers that it's going to go up, but rather drops to form an M shape. All right, but that is unlikely because the overall trend is bullish. But the most likely scenario is upward direction. But that's that for the daily time frame. For the 4-hour time frame, price of gold is pushing up. You can see a dip around here. Now the dip around here is shorter than the dip around here, and price of gold is creating higher lows. We have a low around here. Price of gold gave us a low around this point. Now this particular low around here, the low that we have around here is higher than the low that we have around here. So price of gold is giving us higher low. Meanwhile, the high remains constant and the low changes upward. That shows that the buyers are looking to break out at this particular point. As soon as we have the breakout at that level, we might see gold pushing up as high as 2540, 2560, 2580, and 2600. But only time can tell. But one thing that is established is the lows are getting higher. the sellers are thinning out and more buyers are coming in. So we might see another, as soon as price gets to the high, the resistance area, we might see another low formed here before price push up. What am I saying? We might see price get to this particular top, and then we might see price drop from that top. Price might drop, test this, and subsequently we might experience a breakout to the top. So that's that for the 4-hour time frame. For the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? We can see that price is ranging, but ranging upwards. We have a low around here. We have a higher low. The very higher low point was tested again, and price is pushing up. We have a lower high here which has been broken. Price is attempting to get to this very high, the 2528 level. On the 30 minutes time frame, what do we have? We have a range, price ranging, more like a balance between the buyers and the sellers at this particular point. So we will be waiting for a breakout, but most likely price is likely to break out to the top. On the 15 minutes time frame, price is gradually rising. On the 15 minutes time frame, we have a low, higher low. We have a low here, high, higher low, higher high. So we might see higher low somewhere around here, or somewhere at this particular resistance area might give us the point where price finds support. Price might find support at this resistance. You might see price being supported around here before pushing up, before pushing to the upside. So but there is this particular order block here on the 15 minutes time frame. There's another one here. So we have buyers stationed around here, and we have buyers also stationed just below that level around here. So we might see price forming a bottom somewhere around here for price to get to this area and push up. But if this buyer's defensive area fails, the next level is this particular area, and this particular area is in confluence with this ascending trend line. But overall direction is bullish, in as much as price is ranging for now. So let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. Looking at the 5 minutes time frame, what do we have? On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see the buyers have been pushing price upwards. Now the sellers are stepping in, but there are layers of stops, layers of the order blocks. We have this order block layer that might serve as demand level. We also have another order block area that might serve as demand level on the 5 minutes time frame. Price has just gotten to the closest demand level, which is around here. So we have 2517, 2516, 2514. There's another one around here, 2512, before the final one on the chart, which is 2511. So there are layers upon layers where buyers are stationed to push price up. But for now, what we are looking at is a retracement, and retracement might be short-lived and stopped abruptly for buyers to step in. More buyers will be at this old resistance, this closest resistance. More buyers will be stationed around the 25 2.14 area. More buyers are expected to be here because this other block is in confluence with this resistance area. So we might see more buyers coming in around here. That is if the 2516 level fails. Buyers are unable to come in at 2516. The sure best point or best level is the 2514 level, where buyers might surely come in. But the overall direction of the price of gold is bullish. So you might want to look at coming in or buying around 2517, 2516, 2514, 2512 to target the resistance area, which is the 2528 area for now. So that's that for today's video on how to scalp gold, how to trade gold on the smaller time frames. On the smaller time frame, which is the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, we are looking at buying the price of gold for today. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. A big thank you to our current subscribers for subscribing to the channel. If you like the video, why don't you smash the like button? Drop comment below the video, ask questions, which are as much as possible to respond to your questions. We have our website, www.beingfxtrader.com. Visit our website to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.